I'm gonna record this lesson. Okay, so we are going to go over proportional lines and proportional parts. So the important words are parallel. Kimberling, what does parallel mean?
Horizontal line.
Not horizontal, but if we look at the word parallel, two lines that do what?
That never touch.
They never touch. All right, two lines that never touch. Proportional means it can be similar, okay? And what's a triangle, Gabriel?
A triangle is a
Three-sided shape. I see. What? Well, look at the screen. All right, so for our thing is, for today, we're gonna look at these examples. Triangle proportionality. So remember these two lines, they mean parallel. So all right, so you see this line right here? And you see this line right here? What kind of lines are those? Parallel. Very good, Leslie. Parallel. So when you have a triangle and you have two parallel lines, when you have a triangle and you have two parallel lines, it means that this triangle, this little bitty triangle, is proportional to this big triangle. Okay? The one inside is proportional. Okay? So that can help us solve for x and use all that. It's just a rule we're going to use. So then we get down to here, this little example. What do we know about these three lines, Platero? Platero. Very, very good, Heido. So I was waiting for Platero. Very good. Very good, Platero. They are parallel. And we know that because look at these little arrows. They tell us that they're parallel. That means parallel, parallel, parallel. Okay? If they're parallel, if you have three lines that are parallel, then you can say that these two lines right here are going to be similar. They're going to be similar. And then these two lines right here are going to be similar. Okay? To help you solve for x. Okay? Yeah? Okay. All right, so let's get into the examples. Woo, examples. Solve for x. You have triangle ABC, then you have ABDE. Elisa, what do we know about these two lines right here that I highlighted? Very good. Elisa. Elisa. You can type in the chat, kid. Oh, si sabes. Very good, Maria. Elisa, what do these two things mean? What do we say up here? Very good, Oliver. So I'm gonna ask you again. So give me 1 second. These two lines are parallel, all right? Parallel lines, parallel lines. Daniel, if it does turn off and you can't find it still, I'll have the YouTube video uploaded so you can watch it later tonight, okay? So these two lines are parallel, which means that they're what, Gabriel? Who's Avila? See? Okay, that's fine. All right, so that means what, Gabriel? They don't touch, but what's it mean about the triangle? That this triangle, this big triangle, is what to the small triangle? They are not that they're so okay. So when you have two parallel lines, it means the rest of the triangles are proportional. Proportional, meaning you can equal them to each other, okay? So you have proportional. Uh-huh. So okay, you have one triangle right here. A, B, C. Okay. And then you have another triangle. This is your other triangle, DCE. Okay. So that means your small triangle, let's draw them. We're going to draw them to make it easier. All right. You have ACB, and then you have DCE, and they're proportional. Okay. So we're going to solve for X. We have, let me delete all the colors. You have 14, and that's going to go with what side? 15. We're going to use, if it's like right here, we're going to go with X. So in this example up here, it says the same thing. Okay. Small triangle goes with small triangle, big triangle goes with big triangle. Okay. So you have 14 with X. So 14 over X equals 12 sobre 15. 12 sobre 15. Very good, Leslie. Very good, Kimberly. All right. Very good. 12 divided by 15. My apologies. So you're going to take these sides together, and then you're going to take these sides together. And then what's our next step? Desmos. Very good. Desmos. All right, so we're gonna pull out Desmos. We're gonna do another one of these. It's a little tricky because it's not like the other ones we're used to seeing, and I explained it really bad, I think. 14 over X equals 12 divided by 15. And that gives us 17.5. 17.5. So my answer is X equals 17.5. Okay. So then let's go to the next one. Solve for X. Okay, so same thing. We have these two lines right here. What do those two lines mean, Ivana? Very good. Very good, everybody in person, but everyone's not Ivana. There's only one Ivana. Oh my God. Very good, Elisa. Very good, Oliver. I like that you got it this time, kiddo. Very good, Eduardo. Very good, Ivana. They are parallel. These are parallel lines. Very good, Edwin. Parallel lines. If they're parallel lines, that means our triangles are proportional. Okay. So I have 7, and that goes with what? Yes, it goes with 6. Thank you, everybody. Then I have X, and that's gonna go with what, Heidel? 27?
6. X.
Not 6. Hoyle's right. 21. So, because look, X goes with this side right here. Okay, it goes with KP. But this 27 is what? NP, the whole thing. All right, so we got to figure out what NP is. So you have, huh? Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. Oh my God, you want to come teach? You're doing a way better job. So, como Pollo dijo, 27 es todo. It's the whole thing. So you're going to take 27. Oh. 27 minus 6, which is 21. 21 goes right here for this part. Okay. So then you have X goes with 6, or 7 goes with 6. And then you have X goes with what, Heidel? 21. Very good. Maria, put the book down. You don't need to look at the screen. You just said, yeah. Okay, so then we forget about this number. We want to forget about it. So Oliver, tell me how to set up my fraction.
7 over 6.
7 over 6.
And X over 21.
X over 21, very good. So then what's my next step?
Desmos.
Yeah. Okay, so we started with the top part, right? 7 arriba de 6. Then aquí, X arriba de 21. You get it? So Catherine, what's my next step? Desmos. Thank you, Oliver. Catherine, I'm looking for your answer, kid. 7 divided by 6 equals x divided by 21. And then we're going to look. 24? Oh, 24.5. Very good. So x equals 24.5. Hey. Thank you. Thank you. So then let's try this one. So this one's different, but what do we still know about C, D, and E? Very good, everyone. They're parallel. Parallel. That means that Maria, 12 is the same thing as what? Or is proportional to what? Yes, Maria's. Tell me. Very good. 14. These two go together right here. Same area. Okay. Okay. Then Elisa, that means 30 is proportional to what? Very good. So then we're going to set up our fraction. Jairo, how I'm going to set up my fraction? 12 over 14 equals 30 over x. Very good, Oliver. Very good, Jairo. Anna? Oh, the answer? Man, she's killing it over there on Desmos. She's going to be a Desmos queen. All right. Okay, I'm sorry. So Desmos, you have 12 divided by 14 equals 30 divided by x. And then we have, like Leslie said, 35. X equals 35. Good job. Good job, Edwin. All right. So let's go to the next one. So Boyle, what do I know about this shape? What's something I know? We do have to subtract. Very good. That's not what I was looking for, but you did get that. So yes, but let's talk about the subtracting part. Hold on, wait. You're gonna give me the whole answer. All right, so Boyle said we have to subtract. So explain to me why we have to subtract. All right, so this 32 is the whole thing. So so you have 32 minus what? 18, which gives me 11? 14. Okay, 14. And that's 14 right here, okay? So then I know that A, B, and C are what, Platero? Yeah. Platero. Very good. Parallel. If they're parallel, that means the shape is proportional. So if it's proportional, I have 27 goes with what, Brian? 27 goes with what? Yes, everyone here is correct. Very good, Oliver. Try to put in Desmos now. Brian, you there, kid? Brian. Edwin, help Brian out. 27 goes with what? No. Yeah, thank you. Edwin. 27 goes with 18. 18. Then you have 14 goes with what, Maria? 14 goes with what? X. Very good. So then, Leslie, give me my fraction. What are you putting in Desmos? Leslie, what do you put in Desmos? On this, okay, what's the number right here? Oh, sorry, I didn't hear you. Equals? Okay, very good. So Oliver, if you put this in Desmos, what do you get, bud?
Let me do it.
Okay. Ese es 3. Oh, I heard 2 plus 1. What's up, Platero? Ah, Platero, the 14. The 14 salió de aquí. So, this 32 es todo aquí. Pero we just wanted this little bitty part right here. So we had to subtract 32 minus 18, which is the 14. Yeah? Okay. Oliver, what'd you get, dude?
Let me do it because I'm working on the same computer and it's hard to and Desmos open at the same time.
All right, so look at my screen. What'd we get? I put in Desmos for you. Hey,
21.
very good. X equals 21. X equals 21. All right. So then let's try this one. In triangle ABC, AB is parallel to DE. So they told us this is parallel to this. They said it right here. What is the length of BC? I'm looking for BC. BC. How am I gonna find out what BE is? We have to put an X. Very good. Let's put an X first. All right, so we know that this shape is proportional. So 14 goes with what, Platero? Platero? 14 goes with what? 14 goes with what? ¿Manda? Don't be, thank you. Don't be rude. Uh-huh. All right, Pollo. Yeah, you're right, Platero. Very good. You have 12 that goes with what? Thank you, Pollo. 12? ¿Va con qué? 12 goes with what? 12? 12 goes with? Thank you. Sorry, I'll yell from now on. All right, Maria, tell me my fraction.
Yeah.
14 over X equals 12 over 15. Then Gabriel, what's my next step? Thank you, Gabriel. 14 divided by X equals 12 divided by 15. And that gives me X equals 17.5. That's my answer? Oh, no? Why not?
Because we use a PC.
Very good, very good. We're trying to find BC. So if we look at this picture right here, we can say this is X. We're gonna say that this part right here is 17.5. And I'm trying to find this part and this part. I'm gonna add 17.5 plus 15, which it gives me 32.5. So BC equals 32.5. And that's my, huh? That's my final answer. All right. Everyone good on Zoom? Y'all got that? Porque no estamos buscando X, estamos buscando BC completo. Oh, y'all really want to go to the work already? Mira, I only have one more example. If y'all don't get 100s. If y'all don't get 100s. All right, we're gonna do one more example before these children want to go to the Google form. In triangle AGH, FG is parallel to JK. FG is parallel to JK, which means they are proportional and parallel to proportional, yes. So then, where am I gonna put the X? Abajo de 7. JK aquí? Just kidding. G, okay, very good, very good. I get you. All right, so we have, this part is proportional to, 7 is proportional to what? Elisa? X, very good. Very good, Oliver. Then Oliver, we have 24 is proportional to what? Very good, Oliver. So then, oh, I forgot to read y'all this bottom part. Oops. Oh, my bad. We're looking for the length of JH, this whole thing. All right, this whole thing. All right, Edwin, tell me the fraction. Uh-huh. Okay. And then we go to Desmos. Yeah. Hey, but you know what she meant? Equals 24 divided by 21. So I get, why does it give me a fraction like that? 7 over x, 24 over 21. I thought I did this, but guess not. So we'll do 6.1. X equals 6.1. So this part's 6.1. That's my answer, Oliver. Thank you, all of my Olivers. I love it.
No, but no, you gotta find the length of GH.
All right, very good. We gotta add this. So we have 6.1 plus 21, which is 27.1. So GH equals 27. And that is it for today. So I'm gonna upload. Kevin. Y'all really. Yes, ma'am. For what? My class? Oh, you already did it? You took. Oh my God, why are y'all so smart?
No.
All right, we're gonna go to classwork. 1 second, I will. If you go to links for everything you do, you're gonna go to 3B semester 2 material. You're gonna go all the way down to the yellow one for today. The yellow one. Oh, I didn't make it a link. Yeah. All right, so if you go, now it's a link. So it should work now. Huh? ¿Sí funciona? Oh, not for my iPad. I'm not fancy. All right, so you're gonna go through and you're gonna answer these questions, okay? Make sure to, huh? Is it number 9? Yeah, number 9, the one highlighted in yellow. No, that's yellow. You're about to show me your computer. Yellow. All right, so you're gonna work on number 9 assignment for today. I'm about to upload y'all's notes. Any questions? When you're done, make sure to message me on Zoom, or if you're in person, let me know and I'll tell you your grade. Huh? Name? Not name, you know its name. Oh my gosh. Hear it. Well, all right. So if there are no questions, let's get started. You're welcome. You can have that.